I'm just going to take you on this journey very quickly. I want to retarget this infiltration demo that's for free on Epic to different models. I'm not be able to do it through Unreal, but I'm actually going to try to do it through Cascadeur. So the models look like this. So here's my one model. One looks like that. And then the other one looks like this. And then this animation on the infiltrated demo, I'll show now which I want to add on here. So I want to show what animation looks like when I retarget it. So let's try this one. Okay, so I want to use this one. So as you can see, this person, they used real people to mocap it. That's a T-pose. Pick up the weapon, aim, put it down, T-pose. So I want to retarget this one. Okay, so the way I usually do it is right-click, retarget animation as retarget. So it looks a bit different on a new Unreal. So I'm asked it wants compatible skeletons to retarget, which makes sense. I don't have one, so I want to use now my sci-fi trooper. This one there. I'll put the prefix, and then I want to retarget. Okay, great. Here it is. So you see the arms is not working so nicely. And no matter what I do, Unreal 5, this one, I cannot get the arms. So I want to see what happens if I actually use this in Cascadeur, if I can do a retarget where the arms actually work as well. So let's try Cascadeur quickly. Okay, yeah, so it's this one. I want to, I'm going to export it. Okay, save, export. I'm going to import it onto this character over here. The way I usually do it is I open a new scene. Here it is, I drag and drop it in. So wait for it to load. No, I don't want to rig it right now. Okay, we see nothing. We go to the joint selector. Here's my character. Great, so I want this one. Just going to make it a little bit more, lengthen it a bit more. There we go. Control Shift C. Add it here. Let's make it also 1, 1. Select a whole interval. Select joints. Control Shift V. Then here's my animation. Great. See, that looks the same. That's good. Okay. So let's try and add it now onto the sci-fi trooper. So I'm going to make it 1, 1. Okay. Let's see if I can select a model here. And then we're going to do the same here. Select a model there. Whole model. Okay, great. All of that selected. So let's try this now. So to retarget it, we go File, Edit. We go Edit, Retarget, Copy. Okay, so no models found. Okay, which is not right. I'm pretty sure I have to rig it first. So let's rig it. Quick rigging tool. There we go. So now we set to the issue that this character cannot be quick rigged. So here's a little bit tutorial of how to do a quick rig as well. I have done this previously. Some of our stuff I'll put up here, but I'll just explain it. So the easiest way to rig your own character is to zoom in, and then we just follow these steps. So I'm looking for the pelvis, and you can select the pelvis over here, or search for pelvis over here. Click pelvis, which is there, and then I just drag and drop the pelvis by the pelvis. Same with the stomach. Search for stomach. We don't have a stomach. Okay, so I would say this area there is the stomach. So what looks similar over here? Spine 1 seems to be very similar. So I click it, spine 1, pull it over to my stomach. Same with my chest. Let's see if it's a chest. Oh, I don't see chest. What looks the closest to my chest? So that's in the middle somewhere. Let's see if I can find one that looks like it would match the chest. So I'm looking for a specific one, but this might work as well. So spine 3 looks like a chest. So I'm going to pull it over to my chest. Okay, so next we're just going to focus on the left side. Okay, so I've got my clavicle left side. Okay, let's see if it's got a clavicle over here. Ah, it's got a clavicle. There's my clavicle. Drag and drop it over. Arm left. Let's see if it's got an arm. Don't see the arm here. So now we look for the closest. So we've got the arm and the forearm. I would say this is the arm. That point there. So according to this is the shoulder, which I don't really agree, but this is the arm. So we take this point, which is the shoulder, drag it over to the arm, and here's the forearm, which it is marked as the elbow, which I won't say it's the elbow, but in this case it is. And then we're looking for the hand, which it doesn't have either. So let's see what it says here about the hand. According to this is the wrist, so we put that on the hand part. And I usually don't do weapons, so I'm not going to do that at the moment. And then we look at the legs, the left leg, thigh. So let's see if there's a thigh area. Thigh left, there is. That's the thigh. Sorry, thigh left. So let's take this off. Thigh left. I'm looking for the calf. Calf left. We're looking for the foot. Foot left. We're looking for the toe. Toe, which is there. Toe left. Okay, great. So now we did all this work, but as you see, we still need to do more. We're looking for the whole right side. So you can do that manually. That is an option. But the easier, better way to do it is to go on this side, select mirror. So now you need to change. So yours should be blank, nothing in there. This is what I used previously. So you need to change the mirror plane to the matching mirror side, if I put it like that. So if you look on the quick rigging tool side, so you'll see here's the thigh, foot, calf, all that jazz. So let's take thigh for example. So we've got a thigh underscore R, which means right, and thigh underscore left, which means left. So I need to show the program what is the mirrored side of that. So the original, which we did now, is underscore left. So thigh underscore left. So what we need to change is place the thigh from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. So the underscore left to the underscore right. So for example, thigh underscore left, the mirror side of that is thigh underscore right. So we just add the underscores for the program to recognize this. And then we do the same here. We just create the same thing, underscore left and underscore right. And then we say create mirror objects. And easy as that, all of it jumps in there. So we don't have to go do it manually. Say add rig elements, and the character is rigged. You might still need to adjust it here at the back, make the points just match up a little bit more. But if you need more information on that, I'll do a video on that. But I'm happy with the way it looks like now. Generate rig. It usually doesn't take very long, but because I was because I didn't do this the right way around, it's taking longer because I added all these keyframes in before. Okay, so let's see. And there we go. There's auto posing. Character is rigged now. Okay, so let's try this again, but I'm pretty sure I'll need to rig this one as well. But let's actually rig it. Let's show the difference. So I believe this one is based on Unreal Engine 4 skeleton. So there's no auto posing there. Let's rig it so I could get auto posed as well. So yes, quick rigging tool. As you see, this one pulls through automatically. No problem. Add rig elements, and this should go a lot quicker because I don't add any keyframes here. Perfect. Now it's got auto posing. Okay, so let's try this again. I'm going to try it this way. So I select all I select my timeline. Here's my character. Select my timeline. Here's my character. I'm going to edit, retarget, copy. Great. Copied. Edit, retarget, paste. Let's see if this works. And there we go. Oh my word. Okay, I'll fix that. But from the arms not working to the arms working. And in a future project, I'm going to reuse the whole infiltrator demo in my sci-fi nights. I call it nights. So in my sci-fi project called Sky Nights, episode out 1 already. Sound not the best, but 90% of it has been mocapped from Cascadeur, which was not bad as well. Let me just fix it quickly to show you that this is not a train smash. We're going to do this. As you can see, the arms is a bit broken. Easy enough. So I'm going to open it quickly to see what is the issue. It's the fingers. Okay, no problem. Well, not it's broken. There's no finger data, so that's not the problem. So I'm going to close this up. We go to fix this. So each one of these is a keyframe. So the easiest way to fix is to unbake it. But actually, I'm going to... It's actually an easy way to just unbake it. Let me just see here. What happens there? So I should be able to fix this by just highlighting this. Going into interval edit mode. Just seeing it's conking out. Okay, there. I'm actually going to take auto posing off here. So I select that point, press Shift Z, take it off. It's going to take a while because the program has to go through each single keyframe and remove auto posing. So now I'm not sure if it's working or not. I just select and I see my mouse is turning, and now I just wait. Okay, so that's been removed. Okay, as we see, that does not look great, but I should be able to fix it when I put autophysics back. Okay, so let's see now if it's fixed. All fixed. Just want to quickly compare it. To this one. It's an elbow joint causing an issue. Okay. Okay, so I wasn't happy with the fix. I'm gonna actually redo that. So it's the elbow joint causing that issue. I want to keep the hand joint there. So let's see. So I am actually going to unbake it. Okay. Says auto posing done. Unbaking done. And then I'm going to try this way. Interval edit. I just want to add auto posing just onto the elbow and see what it does. And there you go. From animation that was unusable for me on my next project to just retargeting and fixing this up. Yeah, from animations I couldn't use to retargeting via Cascadeur, which actually works. And then again, making the slight changes on here to make it work for my project. So the hand is fixed now. I can see that leg is not working with me so nice, but also easy fix. but it's easy enough to fix. And there we go. Here's the animation. I want to reuse my project, and I'm able to, thanks to Cascadeur. Oh, just backtracking a little bit. So you can do the fingers as well. So let's do the same thing. We go rig. Yes. Quick rigging tool. As you see, we already rigged it. I didn't do the fingers. You can do the fingers as well. It's going to be exactly the same process. So let's actually do it. So we're going to let's just do the left hand and we transfer to the right hand. Okay, so we can do the left hand and right hand. So it's the exact same thing. Sorry, my South Africanness came through there. The exact same thing. So we do finger, not there. Let's do pinky. My pinky should be here. There we go. So pinky. Let's take a look, see what that looks like. Yeah, so let's do that. There we go. So I've got all of this pinky. There we go. So I've got pinky, that's the bottom of the pinky, that's there. Pinky. So, which is pinky 1. There we go. Pinky 2. Pinky 3. Easy enough. Okay, and then let's do just this. We'll do the same here. We'll do thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 3, index, finger, index. Oops. Just go to the index finger. There we go. Index 1, index 2, index 3, middle finger, middle finger 1, middle finger 2, middle finger 3, my ring finger, ring 1, ring 2, and ring 3. Great, so all of that has been done. My whole left hand, so I need to place it onto my right hand. So again, let's create mirror objects. So the most important thing is to make sure this is the underscore left, underscore right is there. That all is good. And let's go create mirror objects. So my right hand has been done too. So I don't have to do the work for that either.